Hey, here we are again. This is a different um, extension. This is again Google Chrome. And what I'm just going to look up is canned meat bulk. And I've done here Walmart and also on eBay. So what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of look through here. Oh, look, 394 for this 12 ounces, 872. So let's see, that's 263 a pound, 267 a pound. 4.99 a pound, 26 cents a pound or an ounce. You see, that doesn't help me, does it? See, it's $5 a pound, but what's 26 cents an ounce? That's kind of confusing, isn't it? A 3 ounce can, 22 cents an ounce, but this is 26 an ounce. Is that a better deal? Is this 267 divided by 16? Is that a better deal than say this 2 pack? So what you're going to do now is we're going to take a look. We're going to do this real quick here. That is the price analysis results. So the Dinty Moore 38 ounce for 5.94 is 16 cents. So let's see if we can find that Dinty Moore. What was it? 5.94. 5.94. You see it anywhere? Dinty Moore. Look all the way down here. This is where we have to go all the way down in order to find that best deal. Okay. Now maybe you don't want beef stew. Maybe you want luncheon meat, which is like this 8 pack of great value, which is basically Spam of high protein luncheon meat, 17 cents an ounce, a dollar or a penny more for per ounce, and you're getting 96 ounces versus 38 ounces. Or you can pay the same price, 17 cents an ounce, for the smaller amount. Forgive me on that. Okay, so let's take a look on eBay. All right, and just do the exact same thing. And there it is. Now this canned skagili, which is conch shell, is 81 pounds. I have no idea what that is, but that's 12.96 ounces. That comes to be 3 cents. This is an outlier. You wouldn't eat conch anyways in your normal diet, so just ignore it. All right, so we have chili sauce, chili sauce. Now this sounds good. Commercial dried pinto beans. No, Dinty Moore. Look at that, Dinty Moore. 38-ounce can for 26 cents an ounce. What was that other one? Dinty Moore beef stew, 38 ounces, 5.94, 38 ounces. So if you went to Walmart, you would find the better deal. Okay? So this will help your shopping. Now let's say you want to find some real meat. So what we're going to do is we're going to find canned beef. Okay? Canned beef. Okay, and then we just do this again. Don't make me into a liar. Hold on. It's not done loading. This one is though. Said it was. Okay. Beef ravioli, beef ravioli. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Beef can soup. Nope, not looking for that. Roast beef pot roast, chunky soup. Not looking for chunky soup. Beef tamales. Nope, nope, nope. We just keep looking for the corned beef. Great, great value. 25 cents an ounce. Come on. Keystone All Natural, 28, 32 cents an ounce. So, okay. Wow, that is still loading. There we go. Come on, you got this. Gonna look through it here. We're gonna find it. Angus beef chili. That sounds good though. Breakfast skillet, baked potato. Okay, 38 cents. $21, 38 cents. What was the other one? I need to come up with a good search bar in here so I can eliminate what I don't want. There we go. 38. This is 32 cents. So that is the better deal. So I would go to Walmart and I would get that. So that's what it is. If you'd like to give this extension a try,